Manscaped's 25% off Cyber Monday sale is happening now. Don't miss it.
Every guy needs to add Manscaped to their wish list. And if he's been extra good this year, make sure you treat him to the new Performance Package by Manscaped. His jingle balls will thank you. The new Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer is a waterproof, cordless electric body trimmer with advanced skin-safe technology. It may provide just enough of a hint to remind them to take care of themselves this holiday season. But in the end, it's really a gift for yourself. Because let's be honest, who doesn't like the gift of smooth? New to the Manscaped collection is the Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer. Basically to keep the other hidden areas of your body feeling fresh thanks to its unique rotary blade system and skin-safe technology. The Weed Whacker by Manscaped is the safe and simple solution to feeling fresh on Christmas morning. And this one's really a stocking stuffer for you. The included crop preserver ball deodorant by Manscaped is exactly what it sounds like. Anti-chafing, clear drying moisturizer to keep your sack of presents nice and cool throughout the day. Now, if your man needs a little midday refresh, be sure to get the Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray. Don't worry, all of Manscaped products are aluminum free, cruelty free, dye free, paraben free, and vegan too, which definitely puts them on the nice list for me. So for your next gift giving occasion, ditch the gimmicks and get your man Manscaped. It comes with 2 free gifts, the Shed Travel Bag and the Manscaped Anti-Chafing Performance Boxer Briefs. That's a gift on top of a gift, which pretty much makes you the best gift giver of all time.
Visit manscaped.com to get free shipping plus 2 free gifts with your order.